We often overlook how our food choices impact our health. What we eat can affect chronic conditions like arthritis. Certain foods, even seemingly harmless ones, can trigger inflammation. This inflammation exacerbates joint pain, a hallmark of arthritis. Arthritis is a widespread condition affecting millions worldwide. It's characterized by joint inflammation, causing pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. While various factors contribute to arthritis, diet plays a crucial role. Food can either fuel inflammation or reduce it. Understanding this connection is vital for managing arthritis symptoms. By making conscious food choices, individuals can potentially alleviate their discomfort and improve their quality of life. Arthritis is a global health concern affecting a significant portion of the population. The World Health Organization estimates that nearly 1 billion people have arthritis, making it a leading cause of disability. This number is projected to rise as populations age. The link between diet and arthritis is well established. Certain foods contain compounds that can trigger the body's inflammatory response. This inflammation, when chronic, contributes to the development and worsening of arthritis symptoms. Conversely, a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help manage arthritis. Such a diet focuses on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, all known to combat inflammation. Therefore, understanding the impact of different foods on inflammation is crucial for arthritis management. When we think of foods that trigger inflammation, fast food and sugary drinks often come to mind. However, some seemingly harmless foods can also contribute to arthritis flare-ups. These hidden culprits often fly under the radar, making it essential to be aware of their potential impact. One such culprit is nightshade vegetables, including tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and eggplant. These vegetables contain solanine, a chemical that some studies suggest may aggravate pain and inflammation in certain individuals with arthritis. Another surprising offender is sugar. While not a direct cause of arthritis, sugar can worsen inflammation throughout the body. This includes the joints, potentially exacerbating arthritis symptoms. Sugar is often hidden in processed foods and drinks, making it crucial to read labels carefully. Scientific research continues to shed light on the complex relationship between diet and arthritis. Studies have identified specific foods and compounds that can either alleviate or worsen arthritis symptoms. These findings provide valuable insights into dietary choices for managing this condition. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and fish, can reduce inflammation and improve arthritis symptoms. This diet is high in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, both known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Furthermore, studies have linked high consumption of processed meats, red meat, and sugary drinks to increased inflammation and a higher risk of developing arthritis. These foods are often high in saturated fat, trans fat, and added sugars, all of which contribute to inflammation. The food we consume has a profound impact on our health, including our risk and management of chronic conditions like arthritis. While various factors contribute to arthritis, diet plays a crucial role in controlling inflammation, a key driver of the disease. By making informed choices about what we eat, we can empower ourselves to manage arthritis symptoms and improve our overall well-being. This involves reducing or eliminating foods that trigger inflammation. Prioritizing a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats is essential for managing inflammation and supporting joint health. Remember, every bite is a choice, and those choices can either fuel or fight inflammation in our bodies. What are your thoughts on the link between diet and arthritis? Share your experiences and insights in the comments section below. Let's start a conversation about the power of food in managing this condition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and visit our website for detailed articles on managing arthritis through diet. And if you have any tips or recipes that have helped you, please share them with our community. Together we can make a difference in managing arthritis through mindful eating.